Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. For Christmas, Melissa bought me a trail camera, a Bushnell Aggressor HD. And behind the workshop, my dad has a bird feeder set up, so I want to put it on there today and see if anything, squirrels or whatever comes around, or cats. So I'm going to set the camera up right there, and we'll see. I know squirrels go in there, cats, birds. Be interesting to see what happens here. Sometimes even the turkeys come around here. Okay guys, well, it's been all day with the camera. Thought I'd come out here and get it. We'll see if we get any pictures on there. Alright, so I just pulled the SD card and it actually took 521 pictures today. And what I'm going to do is most of these I'm going to just go through and post them. You got to look like on top. I'm only going to run them for a couple of seconds, but like look at that. That bird right there is flying. And if I go forward here, there was a pretty neat one too. Right there. Look at that one. Is that neat or what? That's a pretty good camera. Just kind of browsing through these, it looks like most of it is chickadees, a couple of nuthatches. I see there's some that have one of the big old gray squirrels. There's 6 or 7 of the real big ones that like to hang out around here too. So anyway, I'm going to run these through. I think I might do a little series on this, just run it on the bird feeder once in a while. Later on in the season, we're going to get cardinals and blue jays and other winter birds. It's not into the deep part of winter yet. And then I might run it down below the barn, below the hill. There's a pretty good deer trail down there and see what we end up with. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'm pretty happy with this camera. We'll see you guys on the next video.